We consulted the Council of Education Ministers, the heads of education departments, the National School Governing Body Associations, teacher unions, learner formations, principals associations, as well as the National Association representing independent schools and learners with special education needs. All stakeholders were united in supporting a delay in the opening of schools. Given the pressure experienced by the health system in the past few weeks, occasioned by the increased COVID-19 infections, which has led to the second wave, the Council of Education Ministers, in conjunction with the National Coronavirus Command Council and Cabinet, has taken the decision to delay the reopening of both public and private schools with 2 weeks. They will need to postpone their reopening to a later date. This is done to provide relief to the health system, which is already struggling to cope with the current demands. The new dates for the reopening of private schools will vary depending on the calendar that they follow. For public schools and private schools which follow the same calendar, changes are as follows. School management teams, SMTs, shall report for duty on Monday, the 25th of January 2021. Teachers shall follow on Monday, the 1st of February. And lastly, learners will return on Monday, the 15th of February. The SMTs will go first to prepare for the return of the entire teaching staff, and the teachers will prepare for the return of learners. The schools will use the time to finalize outstanding matters regarding admission, especially the unplaced learners in certain cases. And we also want to check the status of our educators, because we presented the readiness and we presented the post-provisioning and all this, but find that we have lost many teachers. So when they go to report to school on the 25th, the principals and the SMT, they will know who is coming and who's not coming, who is infected, who's still at home, who is a comorbidity case. Then they will register all those, because we will be working with all the schools, all officials in the 9 provinces and districts to get that information. That will allow us to plan. It's not a matter of postponing because of fear or what, but we need to take care of the lives of teachers and the lives of learners. The issue here, health, the Ministerial Advisory Council indicated that primary schools can be opened, including early childhood development. So can be opened because in terms of their research, stats show that the younger children are not that much a risk as compared to older children who, when they come to school, will want to socialize, will want to do many other things. So, but as the CM said and look at the new variant, we said we are not well versed with the movement of this new variant. Let's just hold the coming back of learners by 2 weeks. Teachers will still go to school. That's why the calendar, school calendar, has not changed. It remains as is. We are working very hard to improve on the e-learning, and we want to appreciate all the stakeholders who are helping us to make this e-learning a success. Yes, we still have difficulties in rural areas where we have a challenge sometimes of connectivity, but we are working with all the service providers, all of them, I can name them, including SABC, radio and television, and Vodacom, Telcom, all of them. We are working together with them to improve on the ICT and the e-learning, because it shows that moving forward, that is the way to go. So we cannot fold our arms and say we're doing nothing.